Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to a great song here from Ruel and DMA'S. We're a pair of diamonds. So Ruel has been here before many times, and I really appreciate him as an artist. Great singer, songwriter there. And yeah, this song is great as well. Fits guitar very well. And we have simple chords here if you use the capo on the 4th fret. So that is what we're gonna do. Put the capo on 4th and let's go with the chords. So we have a couple of chords, easy chords here. So starting out with D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor as well, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the final chord is used in the bridge part later. It's B minor, of course. We have a bar chord here, so play the next finger here, the bar finger here on the 2nd fret, and you bar the last 5 strings there. You can skip the last E string in the bass. So the 5 strings below there on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so there you have all the chords. So we're gonna start here with the verse play and then go over to chorus and bridge parts. And the challenge here could be the strumming pattern that is pretty long. We're gonna divide this into 2 different parts because we need that. So yeah, let's start with the strumming, and we can do that and see the transition here from G to A, because that is where we're gonna split in this strumming pattern and use different chords for it. So we're gonna take the G first and learn the part 1. So the part 1 goes down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that's the first part, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then you switch the chord, in this case now to the A, and play part 2, and that will be down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up. If you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And a little bit in tempo. Yeah, so there we have it. All right, so that is 1 string around together. So if we go to the first verse here, the verse play starts with D. If you grab the D chord, 1 full round, and that's what we're mostly gonna play for the song, will be like this. All right, and don't be afraid if you miss 1 down or up here and there. It doesn't hurt too much. As soon as you do that, just continue and just keep on the flow there and switch in right time. That will be perfectly fine. All right, so let's take a look at the verse play. You're gonna play D, 1 full round, A, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round, and back to A, 1 full round. That's the first half of it, okay? So D, A, E minor, and A. And then at some verses here, I believe on the 2nd verse, you play that part for 2 rounds. But the last round, so to speak, in the verse just before the chorus goes very similar. It will be D, 1 full round, A, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round. So far, no changes. But now you have the split here. The G, part 1, and A, part 2. So that part goes D. that is just before the chorus. So that's how play the verse play. Now the chorus will be more straight strumming. You're gonna play one string around per chord, and the chord progression will be D, A, E minor, and G. So. Have the chorus play, and at about 2 minutes and 24 seconds into the song comes the bridge part, and this is where you now need the B minor chord. So it's a little bit different, just one down per chord, and it goes G, B minor, A, pause, and then A, B minor, E minor, pause. So G, B minor, A, and pause, and then A, B minor, E minor, pause. 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 So G, B, A, B, E. You do that for 2 rounds. So G, B, A, B, E for 2 rounds, and then you go back again and play the chorus part until the very end, and that pretty much covers Rules and DMA'S Wear a Pair of Diamonds. Yes, so that's what I feel. Me and my guitar here. Behind the camera, in front of the camera, sorry. So yeah, I tried to do my best here, guys. So I hope you really appreciate this, and I would like to get some feedback on these tutorials, and yeah, leave a comment or a like or whatever you want. So hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.